Have you ever pondered the mysteries concealed beneath Earth's surface? Well, in a captivating narrative that promises to engage your imagination and question conventional beliefs about our ancient history, scientists recently discovered the presence of subterranean cavities and tunnels.
Oh, this is wild. It's so much bigger once you get up to it.
These underground labyrinths are not just remnants of the past. They are portals to a forgotten civilization, their walls whispering tales lost in the annals of history. Who were the architects of this subterranean marvel, and what tales do the walls whisper about a civilization lost to the annals of history? Join us on an expedition that transcends the boundaries of conventional exploration as we unveil how an ancient tunnel of an unknown civilization has just been found.
I think for thousands of years we were monsters.
Sailor Sambalowski's vest and ancient tunnels. In 2003, a mysterious incident unfolded in the outskirts adjacent to Sol National Gorsky. Vladimir Sachenko, the driver for the Verzhansky village administration, stumbled upon a shocking discovery at Lake Endless. What he found was not just any object, it was a full-fledged U.S. Navy life vest. The shock rippled through the community when an identification inscription revealed that this aquatic safety gear belonged to Sailor Sambalowski of the ill-fated destroyer Cowl. The destroyer met its tragic end in a bombing incident back in October 2000, within the confines of the Aden port in Yemen. The calamity claimed the lives of 4 sailors, leaving 10 others, including Sambalowski, missing. What intensified the enigma surrounding this discovery was the geographical anomaly. The life vest, marked with the unmistakable insignia of Sailor Cowl Sambalowski, somehow journeyed from the Indian Ocean to find its resting place in a landlocked lake nestled amidst the vast expanses of central Russia. A distance of over 4,000 kilometers spanned in 3 years, tracing an inexplicable route that defied conventional logic. According to first-hand accounts from direct witnesses and participants in this peculiar event, the life jacket's inscription unmistakably linked it to the ill-fated Sailor Cowl Sambalowski. The question loomed: how did a vest associated with a naval catastrophe end up adrift in a lake so distant from the tragedy's epicenter? This anomaly spurred the curiosity of scientific minds. Some experts postulated the existence of unknown subterranean pathways and tunnels intricately weaving through the depths of the Earth's continents. The vest's remarkable journey, covering thousands of kilometers in a straight line, suggested a route that transcended traditional comprehension. The investigation led to a fascinating hypothesis: the presence of subterranean cavities and tunnels, not mere remnants of natural processes, but creations of ancient civilizations predating modern humanity. These underground marvels, observed as massive halls with walls intricately processed by mechanisms alien to our understanding, unveiled a world of mysteries. Stalactites, stalagmites, and enigmatic cracks adorned these subterranean spaces, revealing an architectural finesse that eluded modern comprehension. Moreover, linear structures resembling tunnels emerged as a common thread in this labyrinth of subterranean wonders. As the 21st century unfolded, the frequency of discovering tunnel fragments escalated across various continents. Researchers, spanning different geographical locations, began to theorize about the existence of a hidden network beneath our feet, a testament to ancient civilizations with the knowledge and capability to shape the Earth's underground landscape. The questions persisted. Who were the architects of these tunnels? When were they created and why? The allure of these underground passageways sparked a global pursuit of answers, as scientists and researchers sought to unravel the mysteries concealed beneath the Earth's surface. Mysteries of precision in ancient tunnel architecture. Figuring out the secrets of old tunnels is a big challenge. It means understanding how people built things underground, and knowing how the Earth has changed over a long time. Exploring this mystery involves looking at the detailed story of what people have created beneath the surface of our planet for a very long time. But it's not just a dream. It's something we can do. What makes old tunnels special is amazing. Researchers who have carefully studied them found that these underground paths made a long time ago show incredible skill and precision. The walls of these tunnels are like pieces of art, made with such accuracy that we can't fully understand how they did it with the tools they had. The way these tunnels are shaped and how big they are, kind of like really large tubes, also tell us they're from a very long time ago. Surprisingly, these incredible tunnels didn't all appear at the same time, showing that they weren't made similarly. Instead, they tell a scattered story of how smart and creative people were in the past. As researchers slowly reveal these historical treasures, we learn more about how clever ancient civilizations were at building things. The Marble Cave. Nestled in the big Chatya Dog mountain range, high up at 900 meters above the sea, there's an amazing place that's famous for how beautiful Crimea is. It's called the Marble Cave. When you go into this special place, it's like walking into a huge hall that looks like a 20-meter-long pipe. Right now, some big rocks are blocking part of it because of earthquakes, but it still feels magical. When you go in, you see hanging formations called stalactites coming down from the ceiling, and there are also formations called stalagmites reaching up from the ground. The cave used to be a carefully made tunnel with really smooth walls that went deep into the mountains and sloped down toward the sea. What's amazing is that these walls have lasted a long time, resisting the wear and tear that usually happens. The cave was formed when limestone dissolved, creating cool caves shaped by water flowing through. About a kilometer above the Black Sea, this underground wonder starts, telling a story about how the region went through big changes a long time ago. Around 30 million years ago, a huge asteroid hit, changing the Crimean Mountains and making the Black Sea area lower. The Marble Cave might be a piece of a big tunnel system that got broken into parts during this huge event. Recent reports from people who study caves in Crimea have found something huge. There's a huge open space under Mount Aipitri, a cool mountain near Alupka and Samis. These tunnels connect Crimea and the Caucasus, making a complex network of tunnels. Some people who study unidentified flying objects in the Caucasus area found tunnels under the Uvarov Ridge, across from Mount Elbrus. Surprisingly, one of these tunnels goes all the way to the Crimean Peninsula, and another one goes toward the Volga region through the cities of Krasnodar, Yask, and Rostov-on-Don. There's also a branch that leads to the Caspian Sea, but the people who went on this adventure haven't shared more details about this mysterious discovery yet. The mysterious Medveditskaya Ridge. In the heart of the Volga region lies the enigmatic Medveditskaya Ridge, a site that recently underwent meticulous examination during expeditions of unprecedented scale. What was unveiled surpassed all expectations, a sprawling network of tunnels, intricately woven beneath the Earth's surface, spanning tens of kilometers. The revelation, akin to unraveling a cosmic secret, has captivated the imagination of both explorers and scholars alike. These subterranean passageways, unveiled as a result of the exhaustive mapping efforts, exhibit a fascinating consistency in design. The tunnels, with circular or at times oval cross-sections, boast a diameter ranging from 7 to 20 meters, maintaining unwavering width throughout their extensive lengths. Positioned at depths of 6 to 30 meters beneath the surface, they form an underground labyrinth of unparalleled complexity. Approaching the ridge, travelers are greeted with a phenomenon that defies conventional understanding. The tunnel's diameter expands dramatically. From a modest 22 meters at the base of the hill, it grows to an astonishing 35 meters, then further burgeons to an impressive 80 meters. At the summit, the cavities reach a staggering 120 meters in diameter, disappearing under the mountain and culminating in a vast hall. The intrigue doesn't end there. From this colossal hall, 3 tunnels branch off, each venturing from different angles. These passageways, more than mere geological wonders, purportedly offer connections not only to Crimea, but also extend towards Russia's northern region. Some speculative minds even propose a route to the North American continent, weaving through subterranean alleys, making the once impossible journey seem plausible. Whispers of extraterrestrial involvement linger in the air. Rumors abound that these tunnels serve as operational arteries and bases for unidentified flying objects. While skepticism prevails, the notion adds an aura of mystique to the already captivating narrative. In his work, The legend of LSPP and Mironichenko, the author speculates that our planet, from Crimea to Altai, the Urals to Siberia and the Far East, is a clandestine network of interconnected tunnels waiting to be discovered. It appears more often than not, such findings occur serendipitously. A compelling example is that of Yevgeny Chesnikov, a resident of the Ilyskinsky village of Salyavnoy in the Iveronis region. His accidental descent into a seemingly innocuous hole in a meadow led to the revelation of a cave, adorned with tunnels diverging in various directions, complete with cryptic symbols adorning the walls. The underground world, it seems, holds not just geological wonders, but hints at a narrative that challenges our understanding of the Earth's depths. The deep hole in the Caucasus. In the middle of the Caucasus, in the gorge near Galenzik, there's a strange deep hole that has fascinated people who've seen it. It's a mysterious gap that locals have talked about for a long time, showing how little we know about our planet. People who've seen it say it's like a perfectly straight line, about 1.5 meters wide, and goes down more than 100 meters. What sets this geological anomaly apart is not just its sheer depth, but the smoothness of its walls, akin to the surface of molten glass. Scientific investigations into its properties have unearthed astonishing revelations. The thermal and mechanical forces acting upon the shaft's walls simultaneously have bestowed upon it a unique characteristic: a resilient, crushed layer measuring a mere 1 to 1.5 millimeters thick. This thin veneer transforms the rock into an exceptionally durable substance, defying replication even with our most advanced technological prowess. The very fusion of the shaft's walls hints at a technogenic origin, suggesting the hand of human craftsmanship in its creation. Adding to the intrigue, intense radiation emanates from its core, raising speculations about potential connections to hidden passages. There are whispers of a clandestine project dating back to the post-war years of the USSR. A secret resolution from the Council of Ministers outlined the construction of a tunnel through the Tartar Strait, linking the mainland with a covert railway network. Over time, the shroud of secrecy surrounding this ambitious endeavor began to lift. According to L.S. Berman, a luminary in physical and mechanical sciences who was present during that era, the builders were not erecting a tunnel from scratch. Rather, they were engaged in the meticulous reconstruction of an ancient passageway. The tunnel, laid in antiquity, displayed an impressive understanding of geological nuances. Berman's memoirs, shared with the Veronese branch of Memorial in 1991, unravel a narrative of not just construction, but discovery. Within the depths of the tunnel, perplexing mechanisms and petrified remains of ancient creatures came to light. However, such revelations were swiftly swallowed by the cloak of secrecy as special services took control of the situation. P. Mironichenko boldly asserts that the far east of our country harbors an intricate network of tunnels, hinting at a subterranean world beneath our feet. Could it be that this mysterious shaft is a key player in this clandestine network, leading to uncharted territories, perhaps even extending through a subterranean route to Japan? Mount Babia Clandestine Tale. Embarking on a journey through the captivating landscapes of Western Europe, our focus takes us to the Tetrabasket Mountains, an enigmatic realm nestled on the border of Slovenia and Poland. Here, an awe-inspiring elevation known as Mount Babia proudly stands at a commanding 1,725 meters. This majestic peak harbors a clandestine tale that has been guarded by the inhabitants of the surrounding region since time immemorial. Venturing into the intriguing narrative, Vincent, a resident, unraveled a mystery that dates back to the 1960s. Prompted by his father's request, Vincent journeyed from the quaint village to Babagora. At an altitude of 600 meters, an astonishing revelation unfolded. They ingeniously moved a protruding rock, unveiling a vast opening resembling an oval-shaped tunnel. Remarkably straight, the tunnel was expansive enough to effortlessly accommodate a horse-drawn cart, and its smooth, gleaming surfaces suggested an otherworldly origin, reminiscent of glass. The tunnel's meandering path led Vincent and his father through an inclined passage, culminating in a colossal hole resembling a massive barrel. This cavernous expanse housed several branching tunnels with distinct shapes, some triangular, others circular. According to Vincent's father, these tunnels served as gateways to various countries and continents. The leftward passage navigated through Germany, England, and finally, North America. Meanwhile, the right tunnel traversed from Russia to the Caucasus, then to China and Japan, culminating in America, seamlessly merging with the leftward counterpart. Additionally, hidden passages beneath the North and South poles intricately linked to America, boasting nodal stations along their routes. Intriguingly, Vincent's account doesn't stand alone. Reports from locals in the area attest to sightings of unidentified flying objects near these subterranean passages. Additionally, whispers of secret tunnels echo in the English countryside, where miners, amidst the echoes of their toil, stumbled upon a mysterious staircase. Delving deeper into the rocky mass, the miners encountered the audible hum of mechanisms, hinting at an intricate network of tunnels. The clandestine nature of these underground passageways raises questions about their origin and purpose. Could they be remnants of ancient civilizations, or perhaps evidence of advanced extraterrestrial engineering? Andrew Thomas and the Secrets of America's Tunnels. Deep within the vast expanse of the American continent lies a hidden realm of mystery, a subterranean enigma that has intrigued researchers and adventurers alike. Andrew Thomas, a renowned investigator, delves into the whispers of ancient tunnels crisscrossing the land. These clandestine passages, both vertical and horizontal, boast walls charred by time, yet remarkably preserved beneath the surface. Thomas suggests that these tunnels, straight as an arrow, traverse the entire continent, converging at pivotal points such as Mount Shasta in California. Here, beneath the surface, a complex network of routes extends towards states like California and New Mexico. The Marshall duo, Iris and Nick, stumbled upon a revelation in a cave nestled in the mountainous Caso Diablo area of Bishop, California. The cave's walls and floor, unusually smooth, resembled a mirror's gleam. Strange hieroglyphic letters adorned the ceiling, and small apertures emitted faint rays of light. A peculiar noise emanating from below prompted their hasty retreat, leaving them to wonder if they had stumbled upon an undiscovered entrance to these underground labyrinths. In 1980, off the coast of California, a massive hollow space was unveiled, potentially a key station in the expansive tunnel system. The Marshalls might have inadvertently discovered one of the operational entrances leading several hundred meters deep into the continent. The existence of these tunnels gains credence from unusual occurrences during nuclear tests in Nevada. 2 hours post-explosion, a military base in Canada, 2,000 kilometers away, recorded radiation levels 20 times higher than normal. Unbeknownst to many, adjacent to the base was a colossal cave, a part of the continent's extensive network. Anthropologist James Mackin from Idaho ventured into this hidden world, advancing through a wide stone tunnel before being halted by an overpowering sulfuric stench, weird remnants of human skeletons, and mysterious noises echoing from the depths. The secrets buried within these tunnels remain shrouded, yet the whispers persist, suggesting a clandestine world beneath our feet. The Sótano de las Golondrinas. In the remote and scarcely inhabited regions of Mexico lies the ancient cave Sótano de las Golondrinas. This mysterious cavern plunges over a kilometer into the earth and spans several hundred meters in width. Its towering walls, impeccably smooth and flat, guard the secrets concealed within. Venture into its depths, and you'll find yourself navigating a bewildering labyrinth of rooms, passages, and tunnels, each leading in diverse directions. As you delve deeper, a fascinating revelation emerges. These intricate tunnels appear to be part of a vast underground network, intricately interconnected across continents. Could this enigmatic system extend beyond the Mexican realm, reaching into an intercontinental web of passageways? The cave's subterranean expanse unfolds like a mysterious puzzle, hinting at an underground realm that transcends borders. Surprisingly, this subterranean world isn't unique to Mexico alone. Professor Ivan Denikin, in a recent exploration, unveiled an extensive network of tunnels beneath the Nazca Desert. These tunnels, stretching for numerous kilometers, house crystal-clear water that continues to flow. The discovery hints at a hidden world beneath our feet, crisscrossing beneath the continents, with South America being no stranger to these underground marvels. Juan Moritz's encounter with prehistoric gold figures. In the warm summer of June 1965, Deep in the heart of Ecuador, the adventurous spirit of Argentine explorer Juan Moritz led to the revelation of an extraordinary underground marvel. Within the province of Morona, Santiago, beneath the unassuming cities of Galag viz San Antonio, Moritz stumbled upon a hidden network of tunnels and ventilation shafts. These subterranean passages, meticulously mapped by Moritz, stretched for hundreds of kilometers. The entrance to this mysterious labyrinth presented itself as a precise cut in the rocky landscape, akin to the dimensions of Bart the Descent. Descending through a series of horizontal platforms, the tunnels plunged to a depth of 230 meters. Moritz marveled at the smooth walls, almost as if they had been expertly glazed or polished, with neatly spaced ventilation shafts measuring approximately 70 meters in diameter. The network included grand chambers reminiscent of concert halls. As Moritz delved deeper into the enigmatic tunnels, he stumbled upon a room that would baffle the curious mind. At its center stood a table-like structure surrounded by 7 thrones, crafted from an unfamiliar material akin to plastic. Nearby, large gold figures of prehistoric creatures, dinosaurs, elephants, crocodiles, lions, camels, bison, bears, monkeys, wolves, jaguars, crabs, and snails beckoned attention. Intriguingly, one of these chambers doubled as a library, housing thousands of embossed metal plates measuring 96 by 48 centimeters. Each plate bore a variety of badges, meticulously hand-stamped with an intriguing X. Among these artifacts, Moritz unearthed a stone amulet depicting a man standing triumphantly on a globe. The tunnels and connecting halls weren't just a treasure trove of mysterious objects, but also an archaeological playground adorned with gold discs, plates, and massive necklaces adorned with intricate drawings and symbols. The walls themselves were a canvas, etched with images of dinosaurs and peculiar brick pyramids. Strangely, these pyramid symbols were surrounded by depictions of flying snakes in the sky, presenting a surreal scene. As Moritz continued his exploration, the metallic plates unveiled not only intricate drawings but also concepts related to astronomy and space travel. This unexpected discovery hinted at the profound knowledge of the ancient architects, leaving us to ponder the era in which they thrived. The intricate network of tunnels beneath Peru and Ecuador. In 1976, a team of explorers, a mix of Brits and Ecuadorians, embarked on an adventure into the mysterious underground tunnels of the Lost Taos region, nestled on the border between Peru and Ecuador. Their quest unveiled hidden chambers, revealing peculiar tables surrounded by towering chairs, their backs reaching heights surpassing 2 meters. The material of these chairs remained an enigma, adding an air of mystique to the underground discovery. Venturing further, the expedition stumbled upon a corridor adorned with shelves that held a treasure trove of ancient books and voluminous folios, each containing a staggering 400 pages. The walls of this corridor spoke of a purpose beyond mere passage, emphasizing the intentional design to serve not only as pathways, but also as repositories of invaluable knowledge. It became evident that the architects envisioned these subterranean tunnels as more than just a fleeting exploration. They intended them to stand the test of time as a sanctuary for precious information. However, the passage of years had rendered these structures obsolete, their original purpose obscured by the dust of time. 5 years earlier, an intrepid caving expedition in Peru encountered cave entrances barricaded by rocky blocks. Overcoming these obstacles, researchers unveiled a colossal hall nestled approximately 100 meters below the surface. The hall's floor revealed meticulously laid blocks with a distinct relief, while enigmatic inscriptions reminiscent of hieroglyphs adorned the polished walls. Branching out from this grand hall were a multitude of tunnels, weaving in various directions. Some led to the open expanse of the sea, while others delved underwater, persisting to the depths of the ocean floor. Now it's time for today's subscriber pick. Ancient tunnel of an unknown civilization has just been found in the vast, arid landscapes of the Middle East, close to the ancient city of Aleppo. You see, there lies a captivating geological wonder known locally as failure. A dry, undulating terrain that conceals a mysterious secret. As you approach one of the hills, you'll be awestruck by an enormous cavity, boasting sheer walls plunging to depths of 70 meters with a staggering diameter of 120 meters. The origins of this geological marvel remain a puzzle. How did a massive cavity, seemingly out of nowhere, replace the hill's summit? According to the locals, the transformation was swift, occurring in a single day long ago. Initially, a modest hole, roughly 10 meters in diameter, emerged at the bottom. Over time, this aperture expanded, revealing a subterranean world beneath. The inhabitants share tales of the instant failure, recounting the emergence of the cavity as if nature itself orchestrated a grand spectacle. As the opening widened, it became apparent that a colossal volume of soil, approximately 1.6 million cubic meters, lay beneath the rocky surface, forming the foundation of this geological anomaly. Let us know what you think about what we just showed you. Mystical tunnels and the lotus meditation of Tibet. Deep in the heart of Southeast Asia, a web of mysterious underground tunnels weaves through the landscape, shrouded in secrets and enigma. Among these clandestine passages lies the fabled Shambhala, nestled within the labyrinthine caves of Tibet. These subterranean sanctuaries are linked by concealed tunnels, where initiates, adopting the lotus position, have meditated for eons, suspended in a timeless state of selmity, neither alive nor dead. As tales unfold, researchers posit that these tunnels served diverse purposes, transcending mere mysticism. Some speculate they were conduits for preserving the Earth's genetic diversity and upholding fundamental values. In the depths of Hunan Province, China, on the shores of Dongting Lake, an archaeological breakthrough uncovered a concealed passage leading to an underground maze near a circular pyramid. The stone walls of this subterranean realm exhibited meticulous craftsmanship, ruling out a natural origin. Symmetrical passages guided explorers into expansive underground halls adorned with intricate drawings. Among them, a depiction of a surreal hunting scene emerged, featuring beings clad in modern attire aboard a circular vessel resembling a UFO. Armed with spears, they pursued mythical creatures, while a superhuman figure soared above, aiming at gun-like objects. Another drawing unveiled a cosmic puzzle, 10 orbs symmetrically arranged around a center, mirroring the solar system. Earth and Mars, connected by a looping line, hinted at an ancient cosmic relationship. Astonishingly, scientists dated the nearby pyramids at a staggering 45,000 years, suggesting that the construction and utilization of these mysterious tunnels might predate even this ancient timeline. Ancient launch pad or extraterrestrial handiwork. In the remote expanses of northwest China, nestled within the arid landscapes of Qinghai Province, lies an enigmatic city called Exitam. Here, surrounded by the rugged beauty of Gong Mountain and bordered by fresh and salt lakes along the southern shore of the expansive Salt Lake, an intriguing mystery unfolds. Perched majestically on a solitary rock amidst the desolate terrain, Exitam harbors secrets that defy explanation. Picture a lone rock standing tall at 60 meters, adorned with smooth walls that bear the unmistakable touch of human craftsmanship. A weathered, rust-covered pipe, 40 centimeters in diameter, extends diagonally from the apex of the wall, hinting at a purpose lost in the sands of time. Delving further into the mystery, an underground pipe snakes its way beneath the earth, while at the cave entrance, a dozen pipes of various diameters, ranging from 10 to 40 centimeters, stand parallel, like ancient sentinels guarding a long-forgotten secret. Venturing beyond the confines of the cave, an astonishing sight unfolds. Iron pipes jut out from rocks and sands along the lake's edge, their diameters ranging from 2 to 4.5 centimeters, all aligned in an east-to-west orientation. These pipes, resembling an otherworldly installation, evoke curiosity and speculation about their origin and purpose. A closer examination of the pipe composition reveals a blend of 30% iron oxide, a significant amount of silicon dioxide, and calcium oxide. These chemical traces point to prolonged iron oxidation and an ancient lineage. The enigmatic structures within the caves and the labyrinthine network of pipes have sparked suspicions of being remnants of ancient construction, perhaps a launch pad for rockets or spaceships. In the realm of speculation, whispers circulate that these structures might be the handiwork of extraterrestrial beings who, in the distant past, graced Earth with their presence. The tantalizing possibility arises that these beings, for reasons unknown, were involved in the construction of underground tunnels worldwide. Could it be that they once attempted to leave Earth but were thwarted by unforeseen circumstances? The intricate tunnels beneath Egypt's pyramids. Today, the world is familiar with the iconic pyramids and ancient temples in Egypt's Giza. Yet a captivating mystery lies beneath these ancient marvels. Recent scientific discoveries unveil vast, unexplored underground structures concealed beneath the pyramids, creating an intricate network of tunnels within the plateau. Stretching for tens of kilometers, these mysterious passageways extend towards both the Red Sea and the Atlantic coast. Surprisingly, few are aware of these hidden depths. Speculations arise as researchers ponder the potential connections between these subterranean labyrinths and similar findings in South America. In recent tunnel explorations beneath the Atlantic Ocean, South American researchers have unveiled a complex network beneath the ocean floor. This raises intriguing questions. Could the tunnels from Egypt be heading in the same direction? Tracing an underground water labyrinth from Aden to Varannes, exploring the potential vastness of a global network of tunnels, some submerged, others dry and partially ruined, one can't help but wonder about the mysterious journey of Borlovsky's vest. Its discovery, near the Adensky Strait, where its owner seemingly met an enigmatic fate, sparks curiosity. Could this finding indicate the existence of an intricate underground water-filled labyrinth flowing northward from the Arabian Peninsula? Imagining the possibility of tunnels connecting regions from the Caspian to Krasnodar, then to Rostov with branches extending to Varannes and Lake Endless, evokes a sense of awe. Could these tunnels link to the Tatra Mountains, creating a pathway to the Volga region? Some tunnels, with ages dating back over 30 million years, hint at ancient origins, weathered by Earth's cataclysms. Others, less than 1 million years old, stand in pristine condition, suggesting use by extraterrestrial beings on UFOs. Adding to the intrigue are drawings on tunnel walls, illustrating collaborative efforts between superhumans and ordinary people. These depictions hint at an early stage in human development, raising questions about the purpose and origin of these subterranean passageways. Ancient humans and their high-tech tunnels as planetary havens. There are also suggestions that long ago, our ancestors, equipped with advanced knowledge, fashioned intricate tunnels beneath the Earth's surface. These ancient humans, blessed with high-tech prowess, showcased their engineering finesse by creating expansive subterranean passages spanning vast distances. These tunnels weren't merely feats of construction, they likely served as sanctuaries during planetary crises. In the face of catastrophic threats that periodically befell our world every 200 million years, these shelters provided a haven. Earth, marked by cyclical cataclysms, witnessed events that obliterated up to 80% of its diverse plant and animal life. The most recent upheaval, occurring just 30 million years ago, brought about extinction at the Eocene boundary, leaving behind traces of disrupted ecosystems. Smaller disturbances like asteroid impacts, earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanic eruptions, and floods lasting thousands of years have also shaped our planet. It's plausible that ancient civilizations, cognizant of these natural cycles, constructed a network of tunnels to avoid surface chaos. By hiding within these subterranean labyrinths, they aimed to carry on their activities autonomously, detached from the unpredictable surface events. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.